Welcome back to Kuhash Joe, and again, welcome back to all my subscribers. Hopefully I have some new subscribers in this video. And if you're new here, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button because you don't want to miss out on all the good future meals coming up here on Kuhash Joe. So, right now, come on, hit it. Hit it. I hope you just hit it. But let's move on to our delicious meal of today, which you saw in the intro, is honey barbecue tacos. I know it's not Taco Tuesday, it's a Saturday, but you can make this for when it's Taco Tuesday. So it's a perfect Taco Tuesday meal for you. So let us begin, because I'm talking way too long here for the intro, but let's start. So as you see, I am cutting my chicken into little cubes here. About like a cube size bite will be perfect for you. As you see, that's what I'm doing. So as I cut this, I will let you listen to some music, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. So like I said, I'm now gonna let you listen to music as I finish cutting this, and I'll be back for the next step. So now, as you see, our next step, we are going to pour a little bit of avocado oil into a skillet, just like I always do. If you want to know why I put avocado oil, leave a comment and I'll tell you, or check out one of my videos, which I'll put a link right here above, so you can see why. But let us move on now. As you see, we are going to put our chicken into the skillet, and we are going to cook it until it is like a nice and golden brown looking color. But before we stir some more, we are going to put some salt and pepper for some taste. You're going to sprinkle it around like so, and then you are going to go back to what I always say here on Kuhash Joe: stir, stir, stir. So as I stir, I'm going to let you listen to a little bit of music. So enjoy. Alright, so now that you see it has become like a golden brown, we're just going to put it in a bowl for now, put it aside, because now it's time to make the honey barbecue sauce. Yum! So as you see, we are going to take more avocado oil and put a little bit down on the plate. You don't have to put as much this time because we're not cooking the chicken, so just a little bit. This is just to get the minced garlic, a little bit of oil to cook in. You see, we're going to put a little bit of minced garlic. You can put more or less based on how garlicky you want it to be. So now you see, oh, a little too much apple cider vinegar there. But now you see we're going to put some honey, like so. And this is 2 tablespoons of each, or 2 tablespoons honey, 1 tablespoon of olive oil. And that is in the description. As you see, I'm using this Yellowstone barbecue sauce. This is very good sauce. I enjoy it. This is one of my favorite. If you have a different one you use, by all means, use it. This is just, again, what I always say, my preference. And if you are looking for a recommendation, I highly recommend this sauce. It is delicious. So, but as you see now here, we are going to do what I always say on Kuhash Joe, stir, stir, stir. So as I stir, I have a little bit more music to go along with the stirring. Not too much music there, huh? So anyway, you see, you just stir for a little bit like I did, and now you see we are going to put our chicken back in there, and we want to mix it in with the sauce. So what are we gonna do? Stir, stir, and stir. Just like I always say on Kuhash Joe. It's one of my favorite slogans, I guess, isn't it? Stir, stir, stir. So now we are going to do it a little bit more. So we blend all these delicious flavors together because you want to get that chicken all nice and flavorful with that honey barbecue sauce you just made. So as I stir, 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 listen to a little bit more music.
No me echen la culpa a mí por tener la esperanza de un mundo sin sufrir y más cumbia mexicana. No me echen la culpa a mí por tener la.
Alright, now it is time to make our tacos. You see I have these three things: the chicken, grape tomatoes, and some cheese. You can add more, put less. You can make this taco now however you desire to have your tacos. But like I said, this is just quick little thing to show you how you can make the tacos. So you see I have a taco. I did heat this. So for you, so you can, I like it to be heated. But if you don't heat it. But you see I'm just going to put the grape tomatoes. And then I will add some cheese to this too. We're just going to sprinkle a little bit of cheese. And remember, this is lactose-free cheese for all you lactose-free people out there. So there's the cheese. And now, as I always say, enjoy and schmatznagel. And I hope to see you back here on Kuhash Joe next time. And again, one last time, enjoy and schmatznagel.